out of the Abarth. Hello, this is Jake and welcome to my automotive car channel. No serious plans today, but I thought I'd take the Abarth out. We got a bit of sunny weather, even though it's probably not going to last too long looking at that. But yeah, what I'm going to do is take the Abarth out, have a little drive in it. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel, keep up to date. I'm going to put the camera on in the car, just explain to you what's happening over Christmas and everything with the videos and into the new year. I think Bella's decided not to really do too much today, so she's having a relaxing one. So she probably won't even mind that I'm gonna drive to Lydney to get Greg's, get some sausage rolls and that. I haven't had Greg's for a while, so I thought it'd be a nice drive. It is Wednesday the 11th, I believe. Can't believe it's the 11th of December already. But yeah, right, so let's get going. I'm gonna do a startup on the Abarth as well, because I haven't actually done a startup yet with the sports cat. Okay, there we go. So I've just been to the post office like I do nearly every morning. It's getting so busy because of Christmas. I got to queue up for at least 20 minutes at a time, and yeah, I might just start leaving it to a little bit later in the day because everyone's going in the morning because they think, oh, we'll beat the rush, and they don't. They actually get in the rush because of all the people who have that amazing idea. So yeah, I might start going a little bit later in the day from now on. But yeah, I mean, I'm gonna head to Lydney, like I said. I'm gonna go on a long way of road just because I am like driving through the woods in this weather. After the incident with the stag. Massive glare off the road. You have to watch that. So there's no actual car meets now until the new year, which I mean I kind of expect that because obviously we're in the Christmas period. But obviously there's going to be a lot more when we get into the new year. There's going to be the Coalford Carnival, which I will put both my cars into, classic Fiat 500 and the Abarth, because they pretty much have everything now. Last year mine was the only classic Fiat 500, but the amount of tuner cars like Focuses and that, not your everyday tuner like some kid who's just passed their test and dolled it up with a few bits from Alfred's, proper done up, low to the floor, just proper tune spec, and they really did look amazing. So yeah, we're gonna head to Lydney, let's get a grounds. I'm gonna call into Norchard on the way back through just to see, because I haven't been there for a while, if it's not raining. I mean, it hasn't rained now for a good 25 minutes. Okay, so let's get into what's happening in 2020. So the plan was to next year, August, I'd be driving this Abarth all the way to Germany to take it around the Nordschleife, Nürburgring. However, plans have changed. I'm not going to do Nürburgring next year now, just because of reasons I'll get into in a second. But I will be driving to Omaha Beach, you know, D-Day. I want to pay my respects. I've always wanted to go there, so I will be driving there. Possibly in the Abarth, we'll see. Basically, in 2020 summer, so June, July selling this Abarth, and I'm not going to get into it too much because I want to keep it for a surprise until next year. I was looking on the internet and I thought, yeah, I need to sell the Abarth to do this. So a lot of Abarth fans won't be too happy that I'm selling it, but trust me, it's for the greater good. You will see in the new year what the plans are. It's going to be absolutely epic. It's going to make a dream come true, because it's something I really wanted to always do since 1998, probably 1997, thinking about it. So yeah, if you want to see that news, please do subscribe to my channel and keep an eye out for next year, because I will be making a big announcement, and it's going to be fantastic for the channel, bring loads of new content. It's an all new world for me, and again, you probably won't understand why in this video, but you'll find out in the new year. Okay, we're here at Nortshire. For those of you who do not know what Nortshire is, it's one of the stations along the Deanfast Railway. You can probably, I don't know if you can make that out, but there's some steam engines there. We have a Prairie tank and a J94 Austerity. Yes, I'm a massive train buff. I know the names, I know. But yeah, been the Greggs, sauce rolls. It's actually just started raining, but I want to get a picture with the signal. So I took a picture of the signal the other day, that one there, with the Fiat 500, and I want to do the same with the Abarth. See if we can do it. There we go. Yes, very good, very good. The Abarth is looking absolutely stunning today. I did wash him last Thursday, I think it was. Gave him a good clean, and he's already smot up because of our lovely weather. That Scuderia Italia sticker is just the best. I highly recommend one of them. He's running beautifully. The Italian flag in the bonnet, of course. Yes. The little fins on the bumper. I get a lot of people asking about them, actually. The wind deflectors. The carbon strips. There is a new decal coming for the side as well. Still red. It's just that one's very worn, so I've got to put a brand new one on after Christmas. But that will be the last model on this car, because like I said, it's going. It will be going next summer. But yeah, it's a lovely car. I do love it. So yeah, there's the engines. Like I said, they're over there. I will do videos down here one day. For all of you. There's also a tanker right down there on the side of the car park, which is great. But yeah, so what I'm going to do now is head back home, have a Greggs, and we shall finish this video off. Okay, so I'm back home now. Got my Greggs sorted. I'm going to have that now. Bella. Hey, Bella. Come say hello to everyone. There she is, number one girl, ain't ya? So, I may have just damaged the Abarth. Reversing into the carport, I may have hit the classic Fiat, the one that needs restoring. I have a funny feeling that it just missed it, but I will double check and I'll let you know in the next video. But yeah, hope you enjoyed today's video. More to come. Obviously, it's got to get a little bit quieter over Christmas. The roads are manic. I cannot get over how bad the roads are. The people are everywhere. It just needs to be me on the road and then everything's fine. But yeah, thank you all for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and bye for now. Bye.